Hey guys, welcome back to the Nib Designs YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this in just a few clicks. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I did here on this side right here. So obviously I have my image, and first things we want to do is we want to go into filter, camera raw filter. And if you would like the exact same settings which I am about to use, you can download it in the description. And then you just have to go to load settings and then Nib X Harvey Elliott. Open. So it does seem very bright compared to this photo over here, and it also seems to have a lot less texture, which is kind of what we want. So we press OK. As you can see, there's still a few things that we are missing. We are actually missing levels and an exposure. So what we do, we go to levels. I'm just going to use the exact same settings as I did previously. So 0.63. This is for the darks, as you can see. You're going to clip and mask that. I'm going to go onto that and press Ctrl I just to invert it. And then we're going to get the exposure. So to get the exposure, we go back down here and we go to exposure. I'm going to use the exact same settings which I used. So 0.72. So we clip and mask that, invert that again. We go onto levels and we add the darker parts in, make the hardness 0%, change the flow to 15%. And lower the opacity to between 50 and 75%. So we'll go for 60 for this. And then on a white brush, start painting in where we want that darkness. Make the brush bigger, up the opacity a little bit, up it to 75. And just continue just painting the dark spots in. Eyebrows, nose here. So this is it on, this is it off. There's already a big difference. So you're just going to keep going around doing that. So that's just on the face. Obviously on this one, the shirt looks a little bit different as well. So we go down to the creases on the shirt and we start painting over them to make them a little bit darker as well. Just like so. Just painting in the darker areas, and then obviously we go over to the skin and we can start painting some of that as well, just to get that darker tone on there. Really focus on any veins as well, because they will pop out even more. Get a little bit on the trophy, like so. Make sure to get all those creases, just to ensure best results. So now if I turn that off, you can see the massive difference that we have made just on one levels layer. I also like to do the hair, especially for Harvey Elliott, just because his hair is very bright with camera raw filter. We turn that off, turn it back on. The difference is actually astounding. So now we go on the exposure. Exposure is going to be a little bit lighter, obviously. So you lower the opacity down to 50%, keep the flow at 15. Make sure to get the eyes. Front. Get on the edge of that nose. I also sometimes like to get ear and his earring. Get under the eyes a little bit as well. Get his chain. Exposure going on the chain. Pedal. And then on the trophy. Obviously guys, with photos that you use, it will not be the exact same what I've done here. So just have a play around with your settings. If you want to make it darker, double up on the levels. If you do this though, I'd recommend changing the blend mode and just lowering the opacity about 50%. In my opinion, you only need one exposure, but you need 2 levels to contrast that exposure. So with this, you can make some really cool designs. This is one that I made. It's up on my Instagram. Make sure you follow my Instagram. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to smash a like and subscribe down below. Comment what else you want to see on this YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.